Here is the tensioner for the e-brake cable on this Volvo S80 from 2007 and onwards. This is the second generation. Should be the same for maybe V70s of this generation as well. But here is how this works, the tensioner. Let me just slacken it and then we'll tighten it. So we remove the clip. And then this part, you can hold this in place with vice grips or whatever. But this one, you slide it, you twist it, and it will go over where the clip was. It's a bit hard to do with one hand. I forgot the tripod at home. Bear with me. And there you can see. Then this just pulls everywhere. So you can slacken it. Then you twist this back until you can see the groove again where the clip goes. We can put the clip back. You can just pull this apart. There is a tool that goes in here. I think it's a Volvo proprietary pliers, but I think you can use this special hose pliers or whatever they're called, but they just need to expand this, or you put a vice grip here and a box wrench or whatever it's called there, and leverage it just to pull it apart. But when you're pulling this apart to tension the e-brake, you need to have the foot brake a few clicks in, otherwise it might end up biting the brakes when this is completely loosened, and then you got to redo everything again. And once you pull this apart as far as you can actually tension it even more by twisting this one further away from the clip. Like this, I will show you. Let me just twist this a bit and we'll see how far it goes. It's giving me a workout, this thing. Okay, I've twisted it quite far there. I'm not sure how far you can go, but this goes significantly shorter distance down. Let's see how far we can go. Okay, I think we are starting to see some... well, I think we've gone too far. There's, yeah, the edge there. I don't want to go that far. If you have to tighten this too much, maybe the shoes on the brake discs, or the built-in drum in the brake discs on the rear are gone. Yeah, okay. So that's how it works.